Hey there, I'm here. How can I help you with your Tata setup?
Hume AI is a platform for building expressive voice AI applications. So over here, you can see they support text-to-speech, voice design, voice cloning, conversational AI, and more. They have now released a text-to-speech model called Tada. I have integrated and tested that in Vision Agents, a platform for building voice AI applications in Python. Over here, you have noticed they claim it is much faster than LLM-based TTS and also has low latency. In this video, I'll show you a demo about how the integration works. On their website, they also have several examples. So over here, we can play back any of these audio.
I'm so lucky to have you around. I was just thinking the other day about how, it don't tell you enough how much.
Quiet. Mom says monsters aren't real, but she doesn't hear the scratching like I do. It's always
People they treat it like a suggestion. And the parents, don't even get me started. They just stand on the sidewalk looking at their
How many moments in life pass by unnoticed? Not the big ones, the graduations, the moves.
So to use it in Vision Agents, you should visit this website and go to Integrations. If you scroll down on the left sidebar, you have the option to create a new plugin. So this gives a detailed instruction and a step-by-step guide on how to create a plugin for Vision Agents. You can also vibe code the plugin using a model like Opus 4.6 or GPT 5.3 codecs. So by integrating this model in Vision Agents, we get a custom high-quality plugin for local TTS. From my experiment, I have noticed it has much less hallucination. So if you want to build an AI application supporting voice cloning and also a multilingual AI application, this is a very good model to use. The model is also open source. Once you vibe code the TTS plugin in Vision Agents, you'll get a project structure similar to this one. There is a project README. You can also find a completed project on GitHub. We have plugins directory consisting of tts.py. That is the main script that integrates the plugin with Vision Agents. In the examples folder, we also have some example to try. You can also try the example in your main.py at the root of the project. Once you clone the project from the GitHub repository, you should use this command uvsync to install all dependencies and also set these environment variables. We have deepgram for speech to text. We are using a Gemini model, so you need Google API key and also an API key and secret from Stream. So for a basic usage, you import Vision Agents and create a new instance of the TTS plugin for Tada. Without specifying the model parameter, it will use its 3 billion parameters multilingual model with a built-in voice. You can also specify the model you want to use. For example, if you want to use English only, they have 1 billion parameters model. So you create a new TTS instance with the Tada model and specify the model you want to use as Tada 1B. Aside using the model for text-to-speech, you can also use it for voice cloning using this code snippet. It also has a multilingual support, so if you want to support German, you can use this code snippet. In my Python script, I have already created an agent in Vision Agents using an agent class. So in the agent's definition, you will need to specify the TTS component you want to use. And here we initialize the TTS by specifying the model version as Tada 3BML. To run this example and experience with the text-to-speech feature, we just need to create and join a video call using Stream Video. By creating and joining a new video call, we establish real-time transport for audio and video. So let's bring the terminal and run this example. You have noticed here, I have tada example.py, so I'm going to run it with UV. If you are running the model for the first time, it will take a while. If you run it again, that will be much faster.
Hey there, I'm here. How can I help you with your Tata setup? That's awesome. Tata is a great choice for local synthesis. How's the performance and voice quality treating you so far?